Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back again. So in this strategy, I'm going to show you how you can start making money using two-way. This is not actually a two-way strategy, but in my next video I'm going to show you how you can use two-way, how to participate on two-way strategy as you requested. But this will also give you a clear view on how you can make money, is either by using the spot trading or the futures trading. So using this Bollinger Band and volume, though actually the main thing here is Bollinger Band. We don't actually need the volume. So and also RSI, we don't actually need the RSI, but all we need is the Bollinger Band. You see, if you notice that, you will not, if you look at your chart, go ahead and backtest it, and you will notice that anytime the candle is out of Bollinger Band, there is a possibility way for it to retrace back, and once it mark the highest or lowest low of the candle, there is a possibility way for the candle to retrace back to make a high again or comes a low again. So this strategy, you can actually make use of futures trading, or you make use of spot trading. For example, let me take you to the recent low, and why I will give you something that you use to practice it before you dive into it. So please pay a very close attention now. For example, now, as at this time, let's check what time is this. As at this 1:45 7 of March 2025, look at the dates, look at it here, look at the date here, look at everything here. As at this time, this candle was around this Solana was around $135, and $135. Let's assuming you are aware, you notice the price drop like this, because I always notice every once the price drop, I always get notification, because I set it to get notification if the price drop and if the price rise of BTC. And once the there I notice a price drop of BTC, I always check other coins as well. So from here, let's assuming you notice the price and you come and check here that yes, it has actually oversold, meaning that it has goes down a lot on the Bollinger Band. You see the candle is totally out of the Bollinger Band. Then you, let's say you buy here, you buy from here using spot trading. This is not feature. Using spot trading, you buy here, you buy what of it was around 135. Look, let's 135 35.02, and you bought what of maybe $500. Let's put it $500 like that, and you notice that you have 3.7 Solana. Then as at current market, you just have to set your TP that okay, once the price climb up, the thing it you sell is either you put your take profit or you sell it manually, but I prefer you put your take profit. You just put the limit that once the price climb maybe 140, you should sell. Now let's say the current market is 141, and you will have make almost $22 using $500 without you risking anything. Remember, the price is fluctuating, and I want you guys to go ahead and backtest it before doing anything. But I still wanna show you, I will give you this exchange that will give you a demo account, so that you use that demo account to practice this. Please ensure that you practice before you use your real money. So let's say for the future, you see, I think I've actually traded on this, but not on with this exchange. So let's say for the future, you actually bought from here, you actually put a long from here, and by now, using if you actually use a good leverage, you are going to make a lot of money. You are going to make a lot of money, cash out big. Trust me, you are going to cash out big. So, and for the future, let's say from here, you notice that there is high price that already it's out of Bollinger Band here. Look at it here. The price is out of Bollinger Band. We have 150, 152, and you come to short and you short it 152, you short it down. You say, okay, if the price come to from that 152, if the price come to 145 or 140, to take your profit, if you check this here to make your calculation here, let's say, so let's quickly do the math. Here is the calculator. Here you click on the calculator, and remember we are coming to short. This is the leverage. Let's say we use 20x. You just pay a very close attention. The price as at then, it was let's use USDT, since we are using USDT under the Solana. Remember we actually use the Solana under the Solana, so we are using USDT. Let's say we are using maybe the 500. We are using 500 to trade, and this is the entry price. We enter 152, and the exit price, let's say we put our take profits. Remember this is short. We put our take profit 140, and look at the price. Let's calculate how much profit. Look at it. You will have make almost 138, and let's say you have a little amount. You have a small amount of $100, and look at it. Let's calculate again. You will have make almost $7. $7, that is not actually much, but it's actually much as well. Don't be greedy. So that is how you can use the strategy. So I'm going to take over to this exchange that will give you demo accounts. So this exchange actually give you a demo account, which you can take advantage of it by practicing needs on this strategy. Please and please try and practice before you use your real money. So this is free. I'm going to leave the link in the description so that you use this exchange. At least use a complete a week to practice this, because we're actually talking about money. So once you come to this exchange, you click on this place here, and it's going to give you, this is the dashboard, and you go to this place. It's going to give you the demo. You see, this is my name and this is my UID. It's going to, you will click on this sorry it's actually here. I'm coming. So if I want to exit now, you see here, I will just click on here. It will take me out. See, it's going to take me out to my real account. Look at it. It has taken me to my real account. So now all you need to do is click on this same dashboard. See, my account is actually verified. So, and you click on this place here. You click on this place, and once you click on it, you see switch accounts. If I want to switch accounts, I will switch accounts. I'm coming. Sorry, I made a mistake. So now you need to click on this place here. You see demo trading. You see this place, demo trading here. Once you click on it, demo trading is going to switch you immediately. Start demo trading, and you click on yes. Go ahead and start. So now you see, this market is like real market. The money will be more than this, because I started using this since I think since 2019 or something like that. That is when I started using this to practice my strategy. Every strategy I have, I always practice this first. So let's go to this trade. Let's assume you want to click here. Once you click on it, let's go to trading, and it's going to take you to this. You see, this is the dashboard, and I actually bought Solana. I bought Solana. I bought Solana. Then I think, let it load up. You see here, I bought Solana worth of just $32, and now it's currently $49. Okay, sorry, it's $42, and currently it's now $49. So look at it. Let me take you to the history. As you can see, here is it. Here is it. All you can see is green. This is the strategy I've been practicing. I actually practice this strategy and it actually worked well, and I use the real money to do it. But for you as a beginner, or for as a learner, no, as a newbie, you can actually make take advantage of this. Now you click on this place, you click on this to check the, and you will see what exactly I'm talking about. So all you need to do is to buy from here. You see I bought from here and the price increased, and there is little profit. So here, once you buy from here, and you also buy from here and you sell to here, you see you will make a lot of money by doing the sports trading. And for the future, you click on this, you search for the coin you want to trade on. Let's say you want to trade on BTC. Let's check out the BTC. So let's assume you want to do the BTC. Look at, we have the future here, we have the future which is perpetual, we have the sports, we have the future. Let's check the BTC and see the price, if actually the strategy is actually good. And look at it here, we have the BTC here. It has actually come out from the Bollinger Band, and the price was $84, and by the meantime it actually went all over to this, where the current price is 87 dollars, though it's come down. But once you set your take profits, you're going to make a lot of money. Let's try this. Let's say we will invest, let's say we want to invest maybe $500. You will actually be doing with little money so that you get used of it. At rate of it was around 84,500, and we bought $500. So now the current price is $87, and you can see there is profit of $16. You can just be doing this, just be monitoring the market. Set the notification. Once the price rise, it's going to give you notification, and once the price is down, it's going to give you notification. I always receive a lot of notification. And look at my dashboard here. Look at my dashboard. You can see I receive a lot of notification here, a lot of notification. Price up, price down, price up, price down. You see this, I just traded this now, this future room feature. I just traded it now. It was listed 12 minutes ago, and I traded. Let me take you to Mexc and see what I'm talking about. This room now, I just traded this now. I have milked this already. You see the price has increased. I have milked this already. Look at here, I already milked this already. Look at me buying here and selling. Already I've milked this. So that is how this strategy work. And if you follow the step by step I showed you now and practice it, you will get to understand everything I'm talking about. So in our next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use how to use this, take advantage of this demo account to practice two-way strategy that you guys are requesting for. So see you in our next